It's not a mirror. It's the phone. We are live. Yeah, Box Body Pudding Live. Look every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? Today we have the combo. Yes, cross 6 and top 7. Are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Then we're gonna do it together. Ready? Watch. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. Let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. Wherever you are. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross to the front. Open, open. Now we do 3 taps. Tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross. Open, open, and out. Tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. Once again with the count. 1, 2, 3. Looking good. 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3. With the left. 5, 6, 7. Again with the left. Cross. Open, open. Looking good. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Repetition is the mother of skill. So you know what? Let's do it again. But how? Let's do it face to face. What do you say? Let's do it face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. But not doing your makeup. Practicing, of course. Let's go again. Starting with the left. Let's go. We cross. We open. We open. We do tap, tap, tap. Yeah. With the right. Cross. Open, open. We do tap, tap, tap. Again with the count. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now let's add the hands. Make it easy but nice. Let's go. First of all, do this movement. Yeah, let's try it. 1, opposite hands. 2, 3. And now, opposite hand, you follow the left. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Now again, you do the cross, cross, opposite hand, change, change. And now, opposite hand. Yeah, hello. Tap, tap, and tap. We track the feet. Yeah, track the toes. Again. Notice. Where's the hands? Yeah. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and track to the hand. 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's the move. Blast the teams. Are you excited? I'm excited. I want to practice it again and again and again. Why? Because practice is the thing you do once you get. No. Practice is not the thing you do once you get. It is the thing you do that makes you good. Yeah, makes you better. The more you practice, the better you get. So if you think like me, you might as well join me in the studio for free for the full tutorial. Yes! Today we did a combo, cross 6 and tap 7. Yeah, so why don't you join me in the studio for free and practice these two moves separately? What do you say? If you want, check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in the bio to the YouTube channel and search for these two moves, cross 6 and tap 7. Yeah! And meet me in the studio. It's a good idea. Check it. What? You know what? What do you care? You have this video, right? Practice with this video. Hit the replay button and practice again, and then again, and then again. And remember, these moves are universal. You can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, bachata, hip hop, kizomba, zumba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba. Yes, salsa on 1 and on 2. Why? Because you can do it with the right and with the left. It is symmetrical, meaning it looks the same if you look from the left or you look from the right. Amazing or not amazing? Woohoo! And of course, practice today. Why not? You have something better to do. You can do it everywhere. I'm doing it here in the park. You can do it in the parking lot. You can do it on the sidewalk. You can do it while waiting for the bus. You can do it while sitting. Yes, holding the phone just like that. And you have no excuses, remember? And the last reason why to do it today. Practice today, because tomorrow you have a new footwork every day. Marcus body coding line. Yeah! So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with the new footwork. Have a great day.